Hello everyone, my name is Divya and today I am going to speak about my project AutoML versus Hyperdrive. For that I have chosen this dataset, stroke prediction dataset, and then I stored this into my GitHub, and then I have accessed it through train.py, which you can see that here I have given the URL and I am going to access this through train.py in the Hyperdrive module. First I've configured and installed all the required libraries for this, and then now let's talk about hyperdrive config. For the hyperdrive config, I have given the random parameter sampling for C as 0.1 and in a uniform range of 0.1 to 1, and maximum iterations as 50 to 200, and the estimator as sklearn, and I've given passed all these values into this and submitted my pipeline. Next we can see the metrics for that over here. I've submitted the run details and then access the best model, which you can see over here. It is with the parameters of C is a 0.89 and maximum iteration is 150, and the accuracy is a 0.94. And then I have downloaded this dataset, downloaded this model using the pickle module. Now let's talk about AutoML. First I have installed all the libraries and configured my workspace, and I'm going to retrieve the data using this cell. So the settings which I have given over here is the maximum timeout is 20 minutes and concurrent iterations is 4. Here the task which I have chosen is binary classification, and my label column is stroke, where we are going to detect a person is going to have a stroke or not. It has run and then I have submitted it, and it has gone through some algorithms which you can see over here. It has gone through them. Here, and then I have registered the best model. See here we can see that the best fitted model and the best run. Here we can see that the best run is a voting classifier and all the other parameters for that. Next I have deployed the model, which you can see in the endpoint section. Here I have deployed 2 web services. If I just click on this, here you can see it is ready for consumption with REST endpoint and authentication keys, and this deployment state as healthy. Now let's go into the experiment section. Here there is my HD experiment, which is hyperdrive experiment, and then my AutoML experiment. Let's go into the AutoML here, and you can see that it has gone through a lot of models, and the best model that stood out is voting ensemble with an accuracy of 0.79. If I just click on this, I'll be able to see other metrics as well here. Now in order to access the app insights, I've enabled application insights as true, which you can see that over here. Okay, so let's talk about inference request. After deployment of this model, now we are going to inference request it. So first of all, what we have done is I have took some data over here, and then using the simple sample command, I took 3 records, and then I converted this into JSON format. Then since it is a key based authentication, I have passed the key over here, which you can see that over here, and using the request library I have done this using the scoring URI, the sample JSON, which is this JSON file, and headers, and I got the result as this. And upon running the service logs, I got this as my result. Thank you.